In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet in your classroom for 2025. Let's dive into these detailed step-by-step instructions so you can maximize your teaching efficiency and engagement. First, head over to Google Calendar using your preferred web browser. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account, so if you haven't already, just click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account information. Once you're logged in, it's time to create an event for your class. You'll do this by clicking on the button or link to create a new event, which you'll typically find at the bottom right of your Google Calendar. Now, let's work on the event details. Click to create the event and start by entering all necessary class details such as the class name. Don't forget to specify the date and time for this classroom event. It's crucial to get this right so all your students know exactly when the session will occur. Then, move on to adding guests. These will be your students, so make sure to enter their email addresses correctly to ensure they receive the invite. Next, you'll want to add Google Meet video conferencing. As you do this, you'll see a meeting link is generated. Make sure to copy this link as you'll need to provide it later. Following this, add a description if needed. This is a great place to include any notes or an agenda for the session. Once everything is in place, click on Save to create the event. A pop-up will prompt you to send invitations to the guests you've added, so go ahead and click Send to get those invites out. Now that the event is set up, take some time to prepare your lesson materials. Upload slides, PDFs, or any notes you'll need to Google Drive. This preparation ensures everything is readily available to share during the class. With preparations in place, head over to Google Meet. When it's time for class, go back to your Google Calendar. Find your event, and click on the Meet link. When you're ready to start the class, click on Join in Google Meet. You might be asked to allow Google Meet to access your microphone and camera. Be sure to check these settings to ensure they're working properly. Once inside the meeting, you may want to explore additional settings for your convenience, such as adjusting microphone and camera settings, or perhaps sharing your screen to display your slides or documents to the class. During the class, engage with your students by using the chat box for any quick questions. Enable captions if needed for accessibility, and encourage your students to use the raise hand feature if they want to speak. Manage your virtual classroom efficiently by muting participants when necessary, and consider recording the meeting for later review or sharing. Just remember to inform your students about the recording beforehand. When the class concludes, summarize the key points, stop the recording, and share any additional resources via email or Google Drive, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully use Google Meet to enhance your classroom experience.